Hello Motomotive enthusiast. Welcome to our latest episode from the Bike Shed Moto Show. Last weekend, we were captivated by two stunning Ducati concepts, the CR42I and RR24I. While the cafe racer-inspired CR42I stole our hearts, we couldn't help but ponder the possibility of a future production model. As we delved deeper into the concept's potential, Ducati's executives shared insights on the intricate details. Chief designer Andrea Amato emphasized the importance of public opinion in shaping the future of these bikes. The unique design elements, like the modified rear subframe, hinted at a distinctive approach to a potential production model. Despite the close proximity to production readiness, technical challenges loomed ahead. Issues such as adapting the bikini fairing and maintaining quality standards posed significant considerations. The balance between design innovation and practical feasibility added complexity to the production decision. As the project unfolded throughout the year, the pressure mounted towards the Bike Shed Moto Show debut in February. Designer Francesca Galluzzi's race against time to craft these creations showcased a blend of traditional Ducati heritage and futuristic influences. The future of the CR42I and RR24I hangs in the balance, awaiting the verdict on production feasibility and consumer demand. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.